You did? Yeah. Down here at the beach with the family. Come on, Valerie. Down here having a little family time, having fun. Go, buddy, go. Yeah, but I'm off today and just out here with the family. Spend a little time, gotta leave out tomorrow morning, going down to South Carolina. But today we're just having a good time with the family. So these things you see right here, these are actually lights, like a light show, but it's the daytime and we're down here right now. But just imagine how that would look once it hit nightfall and they turn the lights on. Now we got one that wants to pout. I tell you. Josiah. Josiah. Come on, buddy. Now you know that's too small. Look like a midget. Yay! And this here is the rides down here. Me and the family probably do this weekend or something. What you think, babe? We gonna do this weekend? Oh, she wanna do it, just laugh. Okay, but yeah, we'll probably do this weekend.